Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to do a quick one on a stock that I've been following for quite a long time. I just saw an article on it, and I wanted to update you guys on the previous video I did 3 years ago about this stock and how amazingly it's been performing. Wanted to share with you guys the details on it and make sure that you guys are informed, right? So first of all, I'm not a financial advisor, all that stuff, right? What I say is don't listen to anything I say because I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. Don't listen to anybody on YouTube, do your own research, etc. Anyways, so let's jump right in, take a look at this stock real quick. Okay, so here's the article, and I'll link the article in the description below, but the stock is Iron Mountain. I first covered this stock on my YouTube channel. I'll leave a link to this original video here 3 years ago. It was, let's see, 3 years ago, August 8th, 2021. It's currently July 2024, so about 3 years ago. Let's go ahead and pull up right now the article. Let's pull up Yahoo Finance. Let's see here. So the article here, I'm going to pull up another tab to see. Let's see, can I do this? So just quickly, the performance of it since I first covered it, I can't say I'm recommending it because I'm not. Let's see here. Let's see, edit that recommendation part out. Let's see. So ever since I first covered it, let's see here. I'll do the 5-year view. What did I say? August something of 2021. The close was about 46 bucks. Right now you can see it's 95. So what is that? Over 100%. So 3 years over 100%. That's doubling your money in 3 years. Over doubling your money in 3 years. Pretty good, I would say. Anyways, so if you did that like I did, you're doing pretty good on Iron Mountain. I'll leave a link up here and in the description below on my original video. It goes into depth on what it is, you know, the background, how to calculate the price to earnings, all that stuff. So won't go too much into that detail here, but I will share with you this. But make sure you do watch that video because it covers the fundamentals, the basics, what it is, what they do, that kind of thing. But I'll go over this article that I just found today. This was July 9th, 2024. So a few days ago, it talks about Iron Mountain. And this is an article from Zacks Equity Research. So fairly legitimate source if you think so. So Iron Mountain is a well poised to benefit from its recurring revenue business model, which is, you know, recurring revenue is great to have. It's pretty easy to forecast, that kind of thing. And as I explained in the previous video, an expansion into the data center business. We all know the data centers are big nowadays, and they're growing. You know, the Googles, the Microsofts of the world, that kind of thing. They need more data centers and stuff. So it's a well-diversified, tenant-based, steady cash flow, right? A healthy balance sheet will likely support the company's growth endeavor over the long term. Okay, it is a REIT. So this REIT came up with a solid first quarter performance. They reported adjustable funds from operations, which is AFFO. If you want more information on AFFO and FFO, I'll leave a link also on what AFFO, understanding FFO and AFFO here But adjusted funds from operations. That's how, real quick, I'll show the basically FFO helps to measure the net cash generated by a REIT from its regular and ongoing business activities. Okay, based on free cash flow, that's not a replacement. So FFO is the most common in the REIT sectors. Investors use it heavily. Depreciation charges, you can read all that stuff. Anyways, that's the base measurement of how they calculate funds from operations. So they expected $1.05, they got $1.10 in the first quarter of 2024. They rank it a buy. Zacks ranks it a buy. Rallied 22% over the past 3 months. That's not that terribly important, but like we said before, right, it has consistently for the past 3 years gone up based on fundamentals. We like fundamentals here. We talk about fundamentals, not what the hot stock of the day is, that type of thing. So fundamentally speaking, I believe that this is a solid, and Zacks believes that this is a solid company. Like I said, do your own research. Talks about the business model here. Organic storage rental revenues increased 7.4% year over year. Business segment on these, we estimate a year-over-year increase of 9.6 in storage rental. Okay, and like I said, go check out the original video to dive into what they do, where they're expanding into data centers, how they're doing all that stuff. I go deep dive into that in that video. Okay, talks about the FFO growth over the past 3 to 5 years. The FFO growth, 16.5% compared to the industry average of 2.25. Expects a range. I mean, they're doing well, right? Balance sheet strength. So Iron Mountain maintains a healthy balance sheet position with ample financial flexibility to meet the near-term debt obligations. All right. As of March 31st, it had $2 billion of total liquidity and no significant debt maturities until 2027. So we've got a few years to worry about debt maturities. Okay. Additionally, Iron Mountain's current cash flow growth is projected against the 5.32 decline estimated for the industry. So it's projected to grow compared to the industry's decline. That's very interesting there. Okay, so the trailing 12-month return on equity is that compared with the industry's average of that. So 283% 12-month return on equity. So 200% for the year. That, my friends, is pretty dang good, I would say. So take a look at the Iron Mountain. Ticker symbol IRM. Click the link below to get it in Robinhood, and you'll get a couple of free stocks, right? You get a couple, I get a couple, we all get a couple. That's all good. So it's a win-win for both of us. And yeah, leave me a comment below on what you think about Iron Mountain. If you've never heard of it, if you're thinking about investing in it, and what are your thoughts on it. I'll tell you one thing right now. It does have a very high price to earnings, but the FFO kind of counteracts that, I believe. Don't know, but I continue to invest in it, and you might want to also. So, as always, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it, guys. Share this with someone who's a stock investor who might want to be interested in taking a look at it. And subscribe to the channel if you like more of this kind of content. Hit that bell notification. And as always, I wish you much success in your finances and in life. Peace out.